let's say still having difficulties because I normally go through the Discord account in Market Cipher, sorry, Discord server in Market Cipher, just to pick people's understanding of the script and see the kind of questions they ask, so that I can probably find a way of simplifying it in terms of me explaining it to the people. So basically, momentum waves are um, let's say momentum, as we all know, is a force, right? A force of an object, and a force is a pull or push of an object. So momentum is that force that kind of pushes an asset. So like let me use relatable explanation so that people can understand. If let's say I need an X amount of force to push price to, let's say, 20, right? Price is 10, and I need an X amount of force to push the price, and price is at 20 right now. I want to push it to 40. Okay, so momentum now gathers here, comes up, then pushes price, right? It's in a positive right now. The further it goes up like this, it pushes price upwards. Then it comes down. I mean, momentum has declined, so price comes down like this. Then it gathers another force, pushes price up, and you see price goes up, comes down again because momentum has lost its force. Yeah, of course. So it comes up again, pushes price up. What happens to price? Price goes up, then comes down again, regain another momentum. So it pushes price. See what happens to price? Price goes up, then it drops drastically into the negatives. You could feel like, sorry, you could see momentum fell because it dropped. So when force pushes up, price goes up. When force pushes down, comes down, sorry, price comes down also. So the reason why I call momentum as one of the most influential oscillators is it has that kind of a power, that kind of a force to push price, and price will respect the very direction of momentum wave. You understand? So let's say I need an X amount of force to push price to 30. Momentum gathers that force, then pushes price up. So it's like up, price goes up, down, price goes down. But you could see another oscillator like VWAP going up like this, up like this, up like this, down. You understand? But price might not literally respect VWAP like that. Doesn't mean VWAP doesn't work. It does, but is a price is like the kind of a person that kind of let me say like let me say price, let's say price like a human being that kind of give respect to certain people that he or she values. If the person doesn't value you, you don't move the person. You understand? So price more or less like values momentum much more than VWAP. Doesn't mean VWAP hasn't gained the respect of price. It does, but price is very selective in terms of kind of oscillators that pushes it up and down. You understand? So basically, it's like momentum being that force is one thing, and money flow also being another liquid is another thing. So if you have the two of these guys moving in the same direction, price respects them hugely. So it's like when momentum is in the positive and price is in the positive, price moves up like this. So that's basically a simple way of understanding how momentum works. Like just you really have to, you don't have to struggle, just keep it simple. And I always try to find a different way of explaining it to you guys, finding a different understanding and using different words and people basically might literally embrace the simplicity in trading. It's just like you don't have to struggle, keep it simple, and that's it. And so yeah, of course, if you're new to this channel, the script that I'm using is called Market Cipher script, owned by a popular guy on YouTube called CryptoPhase. And also this is a trading server that I do have. You can join using the link under my description. And yeah, the goal is to teach people all over the world to understand trading for themselves. Yes, I do have a course. Yep, I've told you guys several times. And yep, when I'm done, I'll finalize it and just share it to you guys if you're interested. So basically, let's keep trading simple. You don't have to struggle, just keep it simple. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.